guys, welcome to Desi Girl Traveler and welcome to yet another video on this channel. If you are sitting in India and dreaming about your first solo international destination but you are scared thinking, will I even be able to manage? Will it be expensive or which country should I even choose? Then this video is for you. After traveling solo for more than 8 years all across the world and 14 countries, I can tell you guys that Sri Lanka is the easiest and the best solo international destination for Indians. But every trip, even mine, starts with one simple step: checking if the plan actually makes sense. I usually start on Cleartrip, checking flights, comparing stays and understanding the rough budget before I build my itinerary. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys 10 reasons why Sri Lanka is going to be your best choice if you are starting your first solo international travel. Although when I went to Sri Lanka, it was not my first solo trip, and that makes this video all the more valuable because I traveled to so many countries and then I went to Sri Lanka. So I had this comparison in mind, and also as a solo traveler I could easily feel what was so easy or difficult in Sri Lanka. So the very first reason why Sri Lanka is best destination for your first international solo trip, it is so close to India. It is a different country but it is so close to India. वहाँ होते हुए भी आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आप अपने देश से काफ़ी ज़्यादा दूर हो. There is no long flight haul, no jet lags, no complications of boarding one flight then connecting flight, and as a first timer I think that comfort is very much required. So Sri Lanka is so close to India. 1 से 1.5 घंटे की फ्लाइट में आप कोलंबो पहुँच जाते हो, तो वो सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी कंफर्ट भी है कि if nothing works out you can always take a flight back home and it's gonna be easy. These flights are also so economical and I mostly use Cleartrip to book all my international flights. I will tell you why. First of all, I get huge discounts on the flights and also on the hotels. But talking about the flights, I get 1500 rupees discount on domestic flights and up to 6000 rupees discounts on my international flights. So if you want, you can also give it a try. There is a link in the video description below. You can use this code and you can also avail the discount. You have to log in as a new user, and if you're using the platform for the very first time, then you will get the discount of 12%, which is up to 6000 for international flights and 1500 rupees discount on domestic flights. And if you are using it for the second time, third time, or you are a repeated user, then you can avail discount up to 7%. So not just Sri Lanka, you can use this link and Cleartrip as the platform for any of your domestic or international flight booking. So flights are already very economical. On top of that, you're also going to get the discounts. There is no harm in saving money. There is a link in the video description below. Just check out all the details and it is going to help you. So you are going to be traveling to an international destination, but at the same time you do not have to spend so much money, hefty amount on booking your flight. So it's very affordable. That's number one reason, it's proximity. Second reason, the visa process. जो लोग international travel करते हैं उनको पता है कि visa is like such a सरदर्द kind of thing. So श्रीलंका जाने के लिए इंडियंस को कोई वीज़ा नहीं चाहिए. You just need to fill up an ETA, Electronic Travel Authorization. I think it's free of cost. जब मैं गई थी तो मैंने किसी एजेंसी के थ्रू करवाया था, थोड़े बहुत पैसे दिए थे. You have to apply it 3 days in advance. डिपार्चर से 3 दिन पहले आप अप्लाई कर लो and it's very easy, very simple. So you don't really need a visa. फॉरेन कंट्री जाना, फर्स्ट टाइम जा रहे हो और ये वीज़ा वगैरह की चीज़ें ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होती हैं, तो उस वजह से भी श्रीलंका इज़ अ राइट चॉइस बिकॉज वीज़ा के पचड़ों से आप बाहर हो बिल्कुल. Third, a very important one, budget-friendly international destination. See, I have traveled to many nearby countries, neighbor countries. Sri Lanka is so cheap. लाइक वहाँ की करेंसी का जो करंट वैल्यू वो मुझे नहीं पता, बट फिर भी हमारी करेंसी के कंपैरिजन में इट्स वेरी चीप. अगर आपको एक इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल करना है एंड योर बजट इज़ नॉट टू मच एंड यू स्टिल वांट टू सी सो मेनी थिंग्स, देन श्रीलंका शुड बी ऑन योर लिस्ट. यू गेट टू सी बीचेस, you have nightlife, you have culture, you have adventure, you have cafe wala life, all the good vibes, train journey, one of the highlights of Sri Lanka. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे आप खर्च नहीं करोगे, 40 से 50,000 के अंदर आप एक बहुत अच्छी ट्रिप करके आ सकते हो श्रीलंका से. तो यू नो छोटे से बजट में you have so many things that you can do in Sri Lanka. So budget wise, Sri Lanka is your best destination for your first solo international trip. Fourth, if you are a girl, you will relate to it even more. It's so safe for solo travelers. I'm not saying कि बाकी की countries safe नहीं है. See, वियतनाम के बारे में मैंने कुछ चीज़ें सुनी थी, but for me, absolutely no problem. Safety wise, I have felt safe everywhere. तो Thailand तो no doubt it's like when it comes to safety and friendliness. Vietnam also, for मेरे साथ कुछ नहीं हुआ, but I have heard a lot of stories about Vietnam. I have heard a lot of stories about Indonesia, particularly Bali. मैं इंडोनेशिया भी गई थी तो I was perfectly fine. मेरे साथ कुछ नहीं हुआ, touch wood. But safety wise, if you are a girl, you understand that is the very first thing that comes to our mind whenever we plan to travel solo. So Sri Lanka is very safe. You can trust people. And locals are very friendly, but at the same time I advise कि no matter कोई भी जगह कितनी भी ज़्यादा safe क्यों ना हो, if you are a female, keep your guards on, always be mindful about what you are doing, who you are talking to. बाकी ये solo travel के ऊपर मैं एक अलग guide बनाऊंगी. Sri Lanka is very safe, so you can easily travel. Fifth reason, no major language barrier. Thailand, Vietnam, ये सारी जगहों पे ना you will always be busy in using Google Translate. लोग English नहीं बोलते हैं majority of them, तो Google Translate आपका सहारा है. बट यहाँ श्रीलंका में mostly everybody speaks English, तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगी उस तरह की. It's just very friendly, and if you are from down south, I think वो तमिल भी बहुत अच्छे से समझते हैं, बोलते भी हैं. मुझे नहीं आती है तमिल, so I will not comment on that part. But yeah, they speak English and language is not at all a problem. Number 6 reason, incredible variety of activities despite being a very small country. You have tea plantation, you have tea gardens, you have train journeys, you have mountains, you have beaches, you have snorkeling, you have kayaking, like बहुत सारी adventure sports. And if you want to do nothing, then you have beautiful resorts there. The weather is good. गर्मी वाली destination भी है, वहाँ पे hill stations भी हैं. तो छोटी सी country में you will get to see so many things. Talking about the resorts and hotels, first of all, these resorts and hotels are very in budget, but still there is no harm in saving even more money. So again, for that you can check Cleartrip platform, both website or the app. You can get flat 12% discount on international hotels and 30% on domestic hotels, which can be up to 4,000 rupees. Imagine you're first of all traveling to a destination which is so much in budget, and even on that budget part you are going to avail these discounts, so there's no harm in saving even more money. So check out the link in the video description below, use this code, read all the details just in case if you would like to avail the discount. There's no pressure from my side. There are other platforms also, but I personally use this to save my money, so just thought of sharing it with you all. क्योंकि वे बजट में है तो you can easily spend 15 days to almost a month in Sri Lanka and still will not be bored because you have variety of things to experience there. I spent only 5 to 6 days in Sri Lanka and that is the reason I want to go back there again. जब मैं श्रीलंका गई थी, immediately I planned to go to Oman, और ओमान का सीज़न काफ़ी लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए था, तो मुझे लगा कि I can always come back to Sri Lanka, neighboring country है, मैं ओमान चली जाती हूँ. That's why I explored Colombo, I explored Galle, and oh, I love Galle. I miss Galle. You know that town. It's such a good vibe. Then I went to Angama, Velingama. थोड़े ही दिनों में मैंने बहुत कुछ experience किया है श्रीलंका में. And if you want to see what I did in Sri Lanka and all the other things, then please watch my Sri Lanka series. छोटी सी series है, 2 या 3 videos हैं, but variety of content, like बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने की हैं थोड़े टाइम में ही, तो I'm sure you will enjoy watching that. 7th reason, it offers one of the most beautiful train journeys in the world. वो एला वाली जो ट्रेन है उसके बहुत सारे आपने शॉर्ट्स देखे होंगे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी, that it is one of the most beautiful journeys, और उसकी टिकट काफ़ी सस्ती है. श्रीलंका काफ़ी बजट में है, मैंने बताया ना, तो बिना कुछ ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च करते हुए आप one of the best train journeys in the world कर सकते हो. ये मैंने कितना अच्छा सेंटेंस बनाया हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स करके. 8th reason, locals are very friendly people. Like I said, it is a very safe place, और locals भी काफ़ी friendly हैं and they are very respectful towards women. मतलब मैंने श्रीलंका को लेके ऐसी कोई भी न्यूज़ नहीं सुनी है. I traveled solo. I felt very comfortable. In fact, there was this one time I was walking alone in Colombo midnight. क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम कम था, मुझे बहुत मन था कि मैं बाहर जाके घूमूं, देखूं सब कुछ. I entered even the casino and all. Nowhere I felt that I am being scanned with no eerie feeling, no eve teasing, like you understand what I'm saying. So locals are very friendly people. अगर आप उनसे कुछ help भी मांगोगे तो they are always willing to help. In fact, श्रीलंका के vlogs में आप देखोगे how I have been singing Bollywood songs with all the drivers जिनके मैंने cabs board किए थे. तो locals are very friendly and they also love Indians. तो काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा आपको. Number 9, it is a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. ये पॉइंट मैंने पहले भी बोला है बट इसको प्रॉपरली मैं अब बताती हूँ. एडवेंचर के सेंस में श्रीलंका में बहुत सारे लोग सर्फिंग की ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए आते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. यू हैव सो मेनी एक्टिविटीज, सो मेनी हाइक्स एंड ट्रैक्स. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, मतलब एडवेंचर करने का बिल्कुल मूड भी नहीं है, यू हैव सो मेनी सच ब्यूटिफुल रिजॉर्ट्स ओवरलुकिंग द टी प्लांटेशंस, टी गार्डन्स एंड जस्ट द हिल्स व्यू. काफ़ी अच्छा वेदर भी है तो यू कैन जस्ट रिलैक्स. सो इफ़ यू आर इनटू एडवेंचर और इफ़ यू आर इनटू रिलैक्सेशन, आप दोनों ही क्राइटेरिया में वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से फिट हो सकते हो. सो दैट मेक्स श्रीलंका ए वेरी गुड डेस्टिनेशन फॉर योर फर्स्ट सोलो इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप. लास्ट रीज़न एंड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन, आप जब फर्स्ट सोलो ट्रिप करके आओगे ना, डोमेस्टिक की बात अलग है, इंटरनेशनल की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, यू विल फील सो लिबरेटेड एंड इट विल बूस्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस. और उसके लिए काफ़ी ज़रूरी है कि आपकी फ़र्स्ट ट्रिप ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल और अच्छी हो, भले छोटी हो बट आपको वो कॉन्फिडेंस देगी अलग तरीके की. श्रीलंका क्योंकि इंडिया से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं है एंड इट हैज़ वेरी गुड शॉपिंग, लोकल्स आर गुड, वेरी सो मेनी ऑप्शंस, गुड कैफ़ेज़, गुड आर्किटेक्चर, हिस्ट्री, कल्चर, सो मच टू ऑफर. एंड ये सारी चीज़ें करने के बाद ना व्हेन यू विल कम बैक टू योर होम कंट्री, आई एम अज्यूमिंग यू आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया, you will feel so confident that you will want to book your another international trip. Because I have been in that boat. I know जब मैं पहली बार थाईलैंड जा रही थी ना सोलो, despite of traveling all across India solo to the remotest places in India, and also despite of traveling to 6-7 countries before going to Thailand, I was still so nervous and scared when I did my first international trip, which was Thailand. वहाँ भी मैं 1.5 महीने कुछ रह के आई थी and I felt very confident, but उन 1.5 महीनों में ना I felt variety of emotions, like हर रेंज के इमोशन मैंने फील किए थे. आई क्राइड, आई लाफ्ड, आई वाज स्केयर्ड, देन आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी, आई फेल्ट लिबरेटेड. बट वहाँ से आने के बाद आई फेल्ट सो कॉन्फिडेंट. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग इतने कॉम्प्लिकेशन से मत जाओ. चूज श्रीलंका इफ़ यू आर नॉट सो कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग सोलो. इट विल बी वेरी ईजी, comfortable and in budget, and it will give you a very good experience, and that overall is going to boost your confidence. So that was my top 10 reasons why Sri Lanka makes the best destination for your first solo international trip. So I hope this video was helpful. अगर कोई question होगा तो please write it down in the comment section below, and I encourage you all to watch my Sri Lanka series. छोटे से series में मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाई हैं श्रीलंका के बारे में, and बहुत सारे information भी मैंने वहाँ पे share की है. It's pretty hit series, like बहुत लोगों ने देखी है मेरे श्रीलंका के content. And if you want me to talk about any particular destination, be it India or abroad, जहाँ पे मैं गई हूँ, please write it down in the comment section below. I'll try to make that video. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until then, bye.